rainbows, it's Miss Alla. Are you ready for another experiment? I found something cool to try. What you're gonna need is some change. So like pennies, quarters, dimes and nickels. You'll need a water, a cup with water and a dropper. And a tissue or a paper towel. As you can see, mine is kind of wet because I already tried the experiment a little bit earlier just to see how it'll go. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to try to drop as many droplets of water on top of each of the coins and see if you can drop as many as you can without the water falling off of the coin. I think it's really cool. It creates this really cool dome on top of each of the coins. So I'm going to start with the penny, and what you want to do with the coins is definitely flip them on the side where there's the person's face. So make sure that they're all facing the same direction. As you can see, all of mine here are facing the same direction. And the reason why I do that is because each of them have a specific kind of like rim around it that is a little bit higher, and it seems to work a little bit better facing that direction rather than facing it downward. So what you're gonna do is just get some water, and you can color your water if you want to. I didn't really want to, just wanted to see how the water would look. And you're going to just drop little tiny droplets on top of each of the penny. And if you want, you can also get a piece of paper out to count how many droplets you made, to compare how many would go on one kind of penny or how many would fit on the quarter, just to see. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna lean my camera kind of down so you guys can see the little dome that gets created on top of the penny. So I'm just gonna keep dropping, and you can see it's still staying. Kind of lean it up, and you want to go slow so you're not dropping too many at one time, just so that you can fit as much water as you possibly can. Also try to find like a surface that's flat and not too bumpy so that the penny stays really nice and still. Can you see it's starting to create like a dome? Ooh, hopefully it's not gonna fall out yet. See? So it's not tipping over, the water's still staying. Oh, see, I added too much on that one and it ran out. And that's the reason why we need the tissue or the paper towel. And you can also do an experiment by writing down how many droplets you can put on the penny and the quarter, and compare the two, and then you can also add the nickel and the dime and see how many you can put on each and which one holds the most. Everybody always thinks that the quarter might hold the most, but you'd be surprised. Maybe the other ones can hold more. Let me try it on the quarter now. Let me actually move the penny out of the way, and I'll put the quarter here, and I'll angle my camera lens so you can also see kind of like the dome happening. And I'll keep dropping. And the reason why I said you can color the waters maybe because the dome will look really cool with maybe colored water, but regular water is just fine too. You see how it kind of stays on the penny and it's not falling, on the quarter, this time, and it's not falling off. Ooh, there's a bubble at the top. There we go. And like I said, go slow so that way you can add as much as you need. I think my counter here is a little bit unstable, a little bit slanted. It seems like all the water dripping only to one side. But do you see the dome? It's pretty cool. Let's keep going, let's see. Ooh, it's getting really wobbly now. Going really slow. Adding one drop at a time. And you can also predict when will the water spill out. Ooh. Uh-oh, I'm getting nervous. Wow, that's a lot of water. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's like a bubble at the top. Very different than the flat ones over here. Let's keep adding. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna keep adding. see if it doesn't spill out yet. Oh, I should have been counting how many. Oh, there it goes. It finally spilled out. But that was really cool. So you guys can try this at home. It's super simple, super fun, and super easy too. You probably have all these things at home. So have fun, try it out. Bye.